Hi, I'm Elvie from Meadowlark Log Homes. Good morning, and this is a crew that we're going out with to put together 2 log cabins. They're single level log cabins, 20 by 30, identical side by side in Three Forks, Montana. We're on the road, just stopped to get some fuel, get some little fuel for ourselves. We got the Ram here with my coffee on the hood and our tool trailer, my 16-foot tool trailer in the back. And then we got the Ford with a small trailer so we can pull leftover lumber back home. So we got these 2 rigs. And let me introduce you to the crew today. So right here's Foster. Right there's there's Tyler. And next is Brandon. And right there's Dawson. So these boys are going to help me put these cabins together. Let's go. Tyler and I got to ride in this Ram truck. We're about 100 yards from the site, Three Forks, Montana. So open, flat site should be a good place to work at. I've never met Patrick. I've talked to him a number of times. So let's see where we're at. So this is Patrick, and you've got several thousand acres here or more.
That's right.
And transplant from New Hampshire, right?
New Hampshire. Originally born in Detroit, Michigan.
Yeah, I built a house in Vermont back in when I was 17.
My sister went to school at the University of Vermont. So I was born
Don't
in
let
Detroit,
Tyler back over you there.
Born in Detroit, grade school in Philadelphia, high school and college in North Jersey, graduate school at the University of New Hampshire. And I've been in the label printing business for going on 38 years.
What's your brand, company?
The company's name is Label Tech.
Okay.
So I've got about 65 employees and 60,000 square feet of manufacturing in New Hampshire.
That looks good, Tyler.
I have a group of managers that run the day-to-day, so I'm there usually about 7 days a month. Try to be out here, and then I've got kids in Florida, so I'm down there most of the time.
How many kids you got?
5.
All right. All right, grandkids too, I bet you, huh?
No grandkids.
No grandkids yet?
Well, actually I do. I just had one.
Oh, good for you.
The oldest is 41, the youngest is 5.
All right.
Yeah, I've been married 4 times.
Okay.
4 times, 5 kids. So I went to a Catholic high school in New Jersey, prep school, called Don Bosco, run by the Salesians. So I tell my friends I'm the Don Bosco poster child.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Well,
that's my story.
there you go. We look forward to getting these cabins built. Right here are the 2 foundations for Patrick's 2 Silver Butte cabins, 20 by 30s. Beautiful spot, huh?
Are those long ones, is that the ridgepole there?
Those would be the roof beams. There should be 3 per cabin. Yeah, there's one's over here and one's right there. Yep.
So those are the main beams from the
Main beams run from the ridgepole, the peak log, and then one each side of it. So 3 of them, yeah.
Yeah. So those are the only logs that would be showing inside of those 3.
The only logs in the actual roof system, yeah.
Roof system
Right.
show.
Right.
So those are placed
They're placed in the gable.
quite a bit of distance apart.
Oh, about 5 or 6 feet apart, something like that.
So then you
Yeah.
nail the tongue and groove to that.
Right.
Staple it to that.
Nail it to that, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
So how thick is the tongue and groove?
It's a 3/4.
3/4.
Yeah.
So that doesn't sag or anything
No.
at 5 feet?
Nope.
Okay.
The foam gets sprayed on that and makes it stiff too.
Yeah,
so
that's
yeah.
pretty. I use that stuff in New Hampshire.
Really good stuff. Yeah.
I got an electrician come and help me Friday to get those lights in. We're not going to use cans. I'm going to use pendants.
Oh, nice. Yeah, that's
Yeah, 'cause
better.
the cans, although the lights will point that way.
Right. Yeah, exactly.
And I don't want anything sticking up into the
Right.
insulation. So,
Right. Good choice. All right. Get started. Boys are getting this trailer unhooked. It's always important to get it in the right location. Get the tools out. Here's a late afternoon update on what we accomplished so far. We got cabin number 2, all the gasket on the logs there. That's the cabin number 2, there's its foundation. Cabin number 1, sun in my eyes, is there for that cabin. All gasket done. Lumber got delivered. In the foreground is pressure treated joists for the porch framing. So now we're working on the porch framing and porch floor in the front of these cabins.